Good evening, boys and girls. I hope you're doing well. It's been a crazy week, and uh, least to say, it's been one of my best weeks this year. I've made insane amounts of cash. Um, I really want to brag about this because we managed to book this week 63.14 hours. So that's quite a lot. We really milked this range. Um, we really milked this range here. Very, very good. And as I said, everything from now on will be written down. So these are the trades that we took this week. Some monster trades. This one we actually closed at 1954. We got I got stopped. I flipped into a short. We took another 4R. We entered here at 18,900. We actually bounced right off where we said we would. I said in the group, 18,700 is the key area where we will look for longs. Well, we actually got it very nice. Unfortunately, I kind of waited a bit to see if the price is reacting in any way. I think that this one is from here, like this. So I waited for a reaction. I feel a bit uh, down because I missed this what 1%, but it's okay. 1% is not that much. It's okay. I mean, we were good on the long side. Um, in terms where we are, there is a lot of macro headwind. Um, I would say, let me pull up another chart. I thought we will do something like this and probably go back up. Well, we kind of did, sort of, but this one is not available anymore. So this is done. We took some losses along the way, but still, it's been a fantastic week. Very good week. Almost all of our trades were on profit. Um, right now, what I would like to see is a, uh, let me see another chart because sometimes the price differs from a broker to another. So this looks good. Get a 4-hour close above this, and we are good. I think a retest. If we get a retest, then definitely we can add to our longs. I took 25% here at 19,503. The results were posted in the group, so Ethereum, same old range. Not much to say about Ethereum. It's not something that I trade very often, so it's not that I don't understand its price action. Because I don't trade it so often. It's kind of like it's the same pattern almost as Bitcoin. So we have this breakout retest here on this trend line. Let's put an alert. Um, if it crosses, then we're gonna we're gonna pop along here, and the long here will be something like this. It's gonna be with a wider stop loss, so we'll see if it comes like this, and we will aim for the highs. So 3R trade. Um, right now there is, as I said in the beginning, there is a lot of macro headwind. I think I wrote it here. Okay, no, I didn't write it. But there are a few macro headwinds that we have to be careful. And as I said, China intervention on Yuan. uh, yen uh, intervention on yen, which happened on Friday. They didn't say they did it, but I think they did. China is zero policy COVID, sorry. And we have UK's political turmoil, which we will find out later in the week. And now we have um, some banks speaking. I think Thursday is ECB. Friday morning is Bank of Japan. If they gonna pivot, it's gonna be brutal. But I doubt they will pivot. They will say something. We will keep on buying bonds or whatever the fuck they will say. These are just a few, but there are many, many things. We can talk about them in the group if you'd like. No, no issues with that. In terms of being bearish or bullish right now, it's kind of like playing the roulette. To be honest, is this the bottom? Probably, could be. I don't know. Um, it might be, but in the same time, if this is building for the next leg down, trust me, it's gonna be very, very, very brutal. So right now, this midpoint here held very, very well on the daily. We said we talked about this flush here up, and now it looks like it wants to break higher. I would say 40,000 is a key area to watch. Once we reach again this, for me to get bullish, I really want to see this move above this trend line here on this daily trend line. In the weekly chart, yeah, we bounced right off the 200 weekly moving average. This is something that I used to trade. This is part of my edge. You can just ignore them if you just trade support and resistance or whatever you want to call them. Um, right now, again, look at these bear rallies and then really coming down hard. If the Feds will do, they will keep on with this aggressive stance at the next meeting. It's not gonna look well, man. It's if this is coming here for another leg down, I think this will be our key area 3,190. So this will be our area to watch if we get here. But let's see. Again, I'm not sure if this is the bottom or not. Right? It's hard to tell. Euro. Uh, we had some very, very good monster trades this week. We had this one on Monday, this one on Tuesday. That was really, really good. This one, this short here, we missed it, but I could have been swept. So it's okay. We took this 1.2 hour trade and I actually exit for the weekend. So this is a done deal. The Australian dollar, I have two missed trades here. This one I took profits too soon, and this one I closed it by accident. So uh, instead of in MT4, instead of pressing modify order, I press close order. Uh, it happens. It's okay. I could have my take profit was here. So yeah, kind of missed an extra 2 hour, but it's okay. I made a lot with the British pound. We had this very, very beautiful entry here. This one, this is the text here. This one we got stopped and then we flipped long. We took 6R and we took 75%, let the rest to run. Once it kind of came down on the smaller time frames, We hit the break even. So, but then we had a 13-hour trade on Friday, which was fantastic. Very, very, very beautiful entry, right on the money, right? Again, this is stuff that I use. It was crazy to see this trade unfolding. I was like, whoa, the market is really, really good today. So we took some really, really fantastic trades. The only one that I'm upset about is this one. Well, I took a minus 1% because I kept on adding shorts until 15600. It just made another 130 pips, so it's okay. But same here. I took an 18-hour trade, booked an hour, and then left the rest to run to 150. Well, it then went like that. So I missed basically a 100-hour trade, but it's fine, as long as I've made enough for that Friday. But let's talk about a bit here. Let me pull up another chart. Same old, same trend line, same confluence area here. Um, well, if this is gonna break, I really want to take a trade above 1.5 300. So once I'll get some clear direction here like this, I will probably buy it up until here like this. Oh, you get the point, right? But we'll see. We'll see how the market reacts. There is a lot of data coming in from Monday, so being patient right now and preserving some capital would be very, very nice. DXY, this is a swing fail here. Uh, which one? Let's see. Yeah, because I know one chart has a small issue. It's not. It's this one. This is the right chart. Use this chart. It's better. So we had a small swing failure here. Failed to break, and then off down we went. Obviously now we're gonna aim for 110 for sure. Uh, what I want to say is that we have to be careful. Now we're entering the blackout period, right? So there won't be any Fed speakers until the next FOMC meeting. Once we kind of see, I think we will get some relief rally. To be honest, I think we're gonna see some relief rally, and then the Fed will probably send the markets on Thursday. Fed Harker really, really pushed it. Let's take a look at yields. Very, very hyper extended. I don't know, guys. This is stuff that really doesn't make too much sense for me. I mean, fundamentally, yes, the dollar is strong, but it feels like the lack of liquidity in the market is making it even worse, right? So right now, we said this is a key level where we need to be mindful. We're almost at 4.5. If the Fed terminal rate is 5%, then we've definitely hit that area. So let's see. I'm not gonna forecast this. Just based on technicals, it should pull back. Um, what else? Is there anything else? No, I think we've covered everything. So yeah, basically just be very careful. By the way, if you want this, thank you, Paul, for sharing the Notion thing with me. I've created the journal. This is just an example here, but if you want this, I can share it with you. Um, I think it will really, really help you. Um, you really have to have a journal. I'm gonna create a checklist how to enter a trade and everything. So if you want that, also I can send it to you. This is some sort of semi-automated stuff, which is much better than Excel. I'm old-fashioned, but it's okay. Let's see some cryptos maybe. Let's take a look at Mana. How we went really, really down from where I wanted to enter. I actually we exit right here. So this is where we exit. Right now this looks like a bottom forming here, sort of. So if you want to play a good trade, think like this. If you want to take a trade, but I wouldn't put too much hope in it. But this will be really nice. I might take a small position here and see how it works. Yeah, we are at some. Maybe it's on the daily somewhere here. Okay, but whatever. We kind of. This looks like a not a continuation, but more like a reversal. So we'll see where it takes us. For now, just be patient. Um, yeah. So that's it, guys. I really don't have too much to say except be very, very careful, manage your risk. Um, these are the trades that we currently have for now. If there will be any other trades, I will let you know in our group. And that's it. I really don't know what else to say. I don't like repeating myself. So have a good night. We'll catch up tomorrow. By the way, if you want to make some algo by yourself, um, just go here, spider.com. So you can. I'm not advertising for them. I don't. But if you want to create like a semi algo and you don't have any knowledge coding, this is very, very good for you. So all in all, have a great day and catch up.